This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 378 RBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a boardwalk interior, sleeps 6, LP detector, slideout, spare tire kit, oven, self-contained, smoke detector, external shower, TV antenna, air conditioning, skylight, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 378 RBS is 13,029 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 378 RBS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.